Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. In this additional with extra puzzles in today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, May the 23rd, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles: the Sudoku with 1 star, the Sudoku with 4 stars. And two puzzles remain: the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, it's binary time, and this one will be number 6480. Yeah, 6480. 6480. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here in the first column, so the rest are ones. Alright. 4 ones we have here in the second row, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here in this row, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then, let me think. Between two ones comes an O. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here one, there one. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So those 2 boxes should be a 1. Alright. Then, let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here in this column, so the rest are ones. And between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one, and 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 3 minutes. Well. Without comparing, yes. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.